David here, weekly wheat look. Today is 21st of December, just before Christmas, 5:40 in the evening. So we've got the market closed. We're looking at the May contract 2019. We've got the yearly chart with monthly candles in front of us. And as usual, we're looking at the 60 SMA. Just check that we're still heading in the right direction above that at the present moment with a long-term trend in place. Short-term moving averages, the 10 and 30 still pointing up. We can identify that we've had a swing low of 170, closing at 179 tonight, so a £10 above that, and we're still holding a green candle. Let's pop down into more closely look at the May contract on a monthly basis. We can identify this green candle more clearly here on this chart, and we're closing tonight at 179. So let's pop down and see what's happened this week. This week we've formed a little bit of a negative week. We've gone nowhere, sideways action, closed at 179. Haven't broken through the previous week of this green candle here. So let's pop down to the all-important daily. On the daily chart, we can see here that we broke above the 60 SMA on this chart. The 10 crossed it, the 30 hasn't crossed it yet, but we are losing a little bit of momentum. Our target was up here at 185, and this week we've failed to go up. The stochastic has lost a bit of its momentum. So what do we see? Next week is the Christmas week, holiday week. Got 2-3 days off trading week. So the market could be vulnerable that on doing those week days during next week. Sorry, I got a bit muddled there. We could drift back and soon take out the 10 SMA. Let's pop down and have a look at that with just the chart with the 10 SMA. And you can see here how this green line here, we are quite close to it. So what's it telling us? In the short term, we could see some retrace back even to test the 60 SMA. If you were looking to sell physical wheat this side of Christmas, it'd be better to do it sooner rather than later, because there is a possibility we could slip back with sort of low volume over Christmas. But let's go on and have a look at the new crop, see if that's following the same pattern. This is the weekly chart. You can see here, not such a red candle, closed 162.50, so that's slightly stronger than holding than the old crop. Let's have a look here. You can see here on this is the daily with the stochastic here. We haven't fallen back so high, and it is tending to hold above this, and we've got the 10 well and truly crossed the 60 SMA and the 30 following up behind. So just have a look at that chart with the just with the more zoomed in on the 10 SMA, and you can see that the market has got a little bit of room above that at the present moment, though we did have a negative day today. So on this basis, I see the new crop firmer than the old crop. Yes, we've got our targets in place. I think last week I was saying that on the new crop we could go up to test 165. Looks as though we are losing a little bit of strength, so that could be a struggle next week. But I'll put an update at the end of next week and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.